Let me give you one of the most powerful examples of epigenetics in nature. We talk about bees. And I promise you it's going to blow your mind. Watch the video till the end. The queen bee and the worker bees have the exact same DNA, an identical genetic blueprint. But the queen lives 3 to 5 years, while the worker bees only live 4 to 6 weeks. That's up to 20 times longer, but have the same genes, but a completely different lifespan. How do you explain that? Well, there's one simple difference: nutrition. The queen is fed royal jelly, and that single nutritional input changes her gene expression, turning on longevity and growth pathways. Now think about this. If nutrition can do that to a bee, what do you think it's doing to you every single day? But people always ask me, can we just eat royal jelly and have the same effect? Well, not exactly. Royal jelly works for bees because it triggers specific genetic pathways in that species. But here's the real takeaway from this. And that is the perfect example that it proves that nutrition controls gene expression. And in humans, we have our own version of that, through nutrients like method donors, polyphenols, and targeted nutrition strategies. And here's what I mean by that when it comes to us humans. First, we have epibioactives, which are compounds found in food that influence gene activity. Second one is epinutrition, which means how lifestyle plus nutrition control your gene expression. Third one is method donors, which are nutrients that support DNA methylation. If you're interested about these topics, in my next video, we're going to talk about which nutrients or supplements activate, bioactives, epinutrition, and method donors, because it all sounds so scientific, but when I break it down in which foods you can find those, and the most important thing is actually how to cook them. There's such a specific way on how to cook certain foods so that you don't destroy those compounds, which we need, for epigenetics. Then watch my next video. Until then, like and follow, and if you have any questions in the comment section, feel free.